Captain Korea SB19 Part 1 official music video. Wow, official music video, no? So naka-upload po sa channel ng Captain Korea na mayroong 212,000 subscribers. Okay, so first time kong gagawa ng reaction video sa channel na to, no? So hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, pero mamaya after nating panoorin, automatic like natin yung pinaka-video. At the same time, syempre subscribe natin to. Okay? So meron na po itong 30,000 views sa loob ng 20 hours pa lamang. So mag-iisang araw pa lang siya mamaya. Okay, so eto, no, SB19 Anthem, no, ang nakalagay sa pinaka-thumbnail, Anthem Part 1. So baka meron tong Part 2 or Part 3, no, kasi Anthem ng SB. So ginawa ng kanta ng Captain Korea, ano, ang ating mahalima na SB19. Wow. So okay ito, So marami nag-request sa akin nito. So hindi ko na kailangan pa isa-isahin. Alam niyo na po 'yan. So shoutout po sa inyo. Salamat sa pag-request ng video na 'to, ng kanta nga po na 'to, ng official music video na 'to, no, para sa SB19. Ayan, so kung gusto mo rin tong panoorin din ng dire-diretso, nasa description yung pinaka-link, yan, i-click mo 'yan para direkta mapunta ka sa video na 'to. Mapanood mo nang walang cut this time kasi reaction video, kaya bahagyang ikakat-cut natin 'to, no. Okay, so kung gusto mo rin ng ganitong klaseng content, syempre wag mo kakalimutang i-like yung video na 'to, i-subscribe yung channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, click notification bell para ma-update kita kada may lalabas akong ganitong klaseng reaction video. Okay, so wag na nating patagalin, i-play na po natin ang Captain Korea SB19 Part 1 official music video. Let's go.
SB19 stands for
Soundbreak. Oh,
their goal to make their music break into the industry.
SB19 stand for Soundbreak. Talagang inano nila SB na S sound tapos B break, Soundbreak. Talagang pinaliwanag nila dito. Let's go.
For Soundbreak, their goal to make their music break into the industry. 19 comes from the summer, the area, code up to countries South Korea and the Philippines.
Oh, talagang 19, talagang pinaliwanag. Ang galing, 19 is code ng dalawang country, no? Country. Which is Korea tsaka Philippines. Ooh, alam natin 'yan, ng mga 18, 'di ba? Matik, ang galing, pinaliwanag na.
The area, code up to countries South Korea and the Philippines. I'll be spinning facts. Number 1, they got 5 up in this group. Number 2, they make their own music too. Number 3, they make their own dance too. Number 4 and 28.
Kumakanta na, sumasayaw pa. Sila yung grupo. Galing, no? Pinapaliwanag na. Etong grupo na to ay sumasayaw na, kumakanta pa, habang kumakanta ay sumasayaw. Ganun, no? Angas.
In this group, number 2, they make their own music too. Number 3, they make their own dance too. Number 4 in 2018, they debut on the show BT. They came through. They got
nag-debut ng 2018. Di ba? Lumabas sila ng 2018. Yung SB19, talaga namang alam na alam talaga naman. Oo, gravity. Let's go.
Number 4 in 2018, they debut on the show BT. They came through. They got 5 members in this group. Still Justin, Josh, Ken, and Pablo. AA. Yo.
Solid din yung flowing mo, Repa. Kung sino man to, kasi nasabi kanina J, ano. Anyway, so yun, no. So props sa'yo. Solid yung flow. Ang galing ng rap skills, no? Let's go.
They got 5 members in this group. Still Justin, Josh, Ken, and Pablo. AA.
Pinaliwa.
I didn't know
Pinakilala
that
talaga.
on genres. I'm talking about hip hop and ballads and R&B. I know that I'm missing some genres, but trust me, this is part 1 in the process of learning. 18 is the name of the fandom. They're going. They started from nothing and now they're exploding. And all of their hours of training is showing.
Solid. Ang galing.
It's a fandom. They're
Pero
going.
yung mga Koreano to, pero ang galing nila
They
mag-English,
started from nothing and now they're exploding. And all of their hours of training is showing. They're doing it all. The leader is Pablo. The CEO Pablo. They're doing the thing they do not follow. 7 weeks, number 1 on Billboard.
7 weeks, number 1 on Billboard. Talagang,
They
matik.
do not follow. 7 weeks, number 1 on Billboard. 7 weeks, number 1 on Billboard.
SB19 stands for Soundbreak. Their goal to make their music break into the industry. 19 comes from the sum of the area, code of to countries South Korea and the Philippines.
They dripping, they whipping, they repping their roots. The haters,
Solid sa flowing. Mga rapper din to, eh. No, actually, no, itong dalawang to, no, inano ko to, ni-research ko. Hindi pala, I think, in-stock ko yung pinakang channel nito. Etong dalawang to, is a reactor siya, no? Nagbi-video reaction din siya mostly sa mga sa SB19. So marami siyang ano, no, hindi lang SB19 pero karamihan na binibigyan ng reaction video nila is yung SB19. So in-stock ko na yan bago ko simulan tong reaction video dito nga po sa SB19 anthem nila, no. So yun, let's go.
They dripping, they whipping, they rapping, they rapping their roots. The haters can hate, they got nothing to prove.
Ooh. The haters, nothing to prove. Di na patunayan ng mga haters.
The haters can hate, they got nothing to prove. They dripping, they whipping, they rapping their roots. The haters.
Galing naman ganun nila. The hated, the drip. Galing naman ganun. The hated, di ba may flow talaga? Let's go. They
dripping, they whipping, they rapping their roots. The haters can hate, they got nothing to prove.
Looking fresh just like a naughty, getting the waves in the eyes of everybody. Life is not easy when things are rocky, repelling the haters with antibodies. SB9 is original, we're not even close to the pinnacle. They see the plan is all visible, finish it, they are so clinical. Each member could do everything, so many fans with wedding rings. Music hard, I almost pulled my hamstring. Vocals soft, I feel like it's spring. People they come and they go, taking the highs, taking the lows, cooking up in the studio, making the flights, taking the risk.
SB19 stands for Soundbreak.
Their goal to make their music break into the
industry.
19
come from the Sama, the area.
Code up to countries South Korea and the Philippines.
Basic na basic, no, simpleng-simple yung MV, yung music video, pero ang lakas ng ang lakas ng rap skills. Solid. 'Di ba? So, hindi ko alam kung rapper din tong talagang mga to, pero nakita ko lang kasi dito sa channel nila nung tiningnan ko, video reaction din yung ginagawa nila sa channel nila, no. So wala akong nakitang kanta din na ginawa nila. So hindi ko na inalam 'yon. So nakita ko lang, di ba? Puro reaction video siya. Actually, hindi lang SB19 pero karamihan SB19. Parang ako din, no? Ang mostly kasi nire-react ko dati is mga rap song. So, nakilala ko ang SB19. So, ngayon, naging mas marami ang video reaction ko sa SB19. Hindi ba kasi nagustuhan ko sila sa totoo lang, no? So, this type ito, no? So, yun. So, rapper din. I think rapper din talaga tong mga to pero hindi ko nakita doon sa channel na may rap song din silang naki-upload. So, yun. So, let's go. Tulan to.
Code up to countries South Korea and the Philippines.
SB19 stands for Soundbreak. Their goal to make their music break into the industry. 19
come from
the Sam of the area. Code up to countries South Korea and the Philippines.
Hey, basic na basic yung MV, oh. Pero napakaangas. Solid sa flowing. Ganda pa ng lyrics. Alright, yan. So, Captain Korea SB19 Part 1. So, official music video Part 1. Part 1 ba to o point 1? Basta PT, alam ko part yan eh. Part 1, so sabihin may part 2 pa to, no? Like natin yung pinaka-video. Okay, so Captain Korea, solid, no? So, Captain Korea, no? So, ba't kaya Captain Korea? Ito ba yung grupo nilang dalawa? Pag nag-rap sila. So, anyway, yan. So, nabanggit naman sa umpisa pa lang kung sino sila. Pero nalimutan ko na. So, yun. Basta, masabi ko lang dito is solid, galing. Diba? Pagdating sa flow, ang galing. Diba? Nagalingan ako dun sa bali sa second verse. Dun solid yung pag-drip at saka yung hit inulot ng 4 na beses eh. Nung galing ng rhymings nila dun, diba? Tapos dun sa first first verse naman, masasabi ko dun ang ganda ng lyrics. Talagang pinakilala nila mula umpisa, no? Pinaliwanag kung ano yung SB tsaka yung 19, tapos kung sino yung mga members, tapos kung ano sila, kung ano yung genre nila, no? So singing and dance at the same time rap, di ba? Solid, galing. Congrats Captain Korea, napakagaling niya. And then salamat syempre sa paggawa ng music na to about sa SB19 natin, ano. Parang gusto ko na rin gumawa. Gawa na rin kaya ako ng ganito, no? Pag ako gumawa, syempre Tagalog nga lang talaga yon, syempre, no. mahina ako sa lyrics ko sa English eh. Ayan, salamat sa mga nag-request nito. Ano, alam nyo na kung sino yun. So, thank you. Hindi ko na iisa-isahin. So, ang dami nyo nag-request. Pero salamat po sa inyo. Dahil sa inyo nakita ko. Pero actually, lumabas na rin to sa ano ko. Nung ngayon, nung pagbukas ko ng PC ko, lumabas to. Lumabas na yung sa homepage ko to. Sabi ko, ito siguro yung nire-request sa akin ng mga ano. Nakita ko naman na eh. So, pag ano ko, ito na ngayon yun. So, pero salamat pa rin dun sa mga nag-request na. Ayan, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Hindi ko na maisa-isa, ang dami. Ayan, solid, no? Ayan, so isa na naman malupitang awitin. Ayan, so kung gusto mo rin, syempre na panoorin to ng dire-diretso, nasa description yung pinaka-link niya, i-click mo yan. Para direct na mapunta ka sa video na to, mapanood mo ng walang cut. This time kasi bahagyang kinat-cut ko kasi nga po reaction video yung ginagawa natin. Okay? Yan, so kung gusto mo rin ng ganitong klaseng content, syempre wag mo kakalimutang i-like yung video na to. I-subscribe yung channel ko kung bago ka pa lang. Click notification bell para ma-update kita kada may lalabas akong ganitong klaseng reaction video. Okay, so hanggang sa muli, marami pong salamat. This is Dogs TV. Peace and I'm out. Yeah.